हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू चैनल एम संधू।
आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं स्पेशल वीडियो ऑन इंडियन स्टेट्स एंड इट्स पॉपुलर। आप सभी को पता ही होगा 2020 में इंडियन स्टेट्स एंड यूटी हैव बीन रीस्ट्रक्चर्ड और हम बताएंगे अब नए नक्शे के बाद भारत में कितने स्टेट्स और यूटी हैं और वो किसके लिए जाने जाते हैं और वहाँ का क्या क्या मशहूर है और फॉर व्हाट थिंग्स दे आर फेमस फॉर।
जितनी अधिक विविधता उतनी अधिक पूर्णता। जी हाँ, ग्रेटर इज द डाइवर्सिटी, ग्रेटर इज द परफेक्शन।
बिल्कुल ही सही बात है ये भारत जैसे देश के लिए, जहां हर 40-50 किलोमीटर में लोगों का रिवाज, प्रथा, सभ्यता और भाषा बदलती है। तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं आंध्र प्रदेश से। तो आइए देखते हैं आंध्र प्रदेश को भारत के नक्शे पे, जो कि हाईलाइटेड है।
कैपिटल ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश इज हैदराबाद एंड it has 13 districts whose chief minister is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy and where population is 4 crore 95 lakh and male to female ratio is 993.
And the popular things about Andhra Pradesh are, it is the only snowfall receiving place in South India. The Venkateshwar temple is the second richest temple in the country. It is well known as rice bowl of India and egg bowl of Asia. It is also known as Kohinoor state of India. It also holds the record of having the world's largest banyan tree. तो आइए अब एक नज़र अरुणाचल प्रदेश पर इंडिया के मैप में।
Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar, which has 25 districts, and its chief minister is Pema Khandu, where population is 13,83,000 and male to female ratio is 920.
And the popular thing for Arunachal Pradesh are, it is the largest state of 7 sister states. This state is known as the paradise of the botanist as it is the state of orchids. और ये एक ऐसा स्टेट है इंडिया के 2 स्टेट्स में से जहाँ पे इंग्लिश को ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज कानूनी तौर पर माना गया है। Now let's have a look on Assam in India's map.
Capital of Assam is Dispur, which has 33 districts and whose chief minister is Sarbananda Sonowal and population is 3 crore 12 lakh and male to female ratio is 954.
The popular things about Assam are, India's largest Shaktipeeth Ma Kamakhya temple is situated in this state. This state has India's widest river Brahmaputra. The India's longest bridge Bhupen Hazarika Bridge is also situated in Assam. Assam is known as the gateway to northeast India. The Digboi. Digboi is known as the city of Assam where first oil reserves of India were discovered. अब देखते हैं बिहार को भारत के नक्शे पर।
Capital of Bihar is Patna and it has 38 districts whose chief minister is Nitish Kumar, where population is 10 crore 40 lakhs and male to female ratio is 916.
And the popular things about Bihar is, it is known as the birthplace for Buddhism and Jainism, the capital city of Mauryan dynasty Magad, the land of IAS officers, and it is house of the oldest university Nalanda University. तो आइए देखते हैं हमारे अगले राज्य छत्तीसगढ़ को भारत के नक्शे पर।
Capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur and proposed capital is Naya Raipur. It has 28 districts whose chief minister is Bhupesh Baghel and the population over here is 2 crore 55 lakhs and the sex ratio is 991.
And the popular things about Chhattisgarh are, it has a place called Shaky Wonder and it is known as Jaljali, where jumping can create an earthquake. It is first in the nation for coal production and in teen production. Tirthgढ़ waterfalls, known as Milky Fall waterfall, it is situated in Bastar, Chhattisgarh. You could see orange highlighted area in the map, which is the smallest state of India, Goa.
Capital of Goa is Panji, which has 2 districts. Here Chief Minister is Pramod Sawant, where population is 14,58,000 and male to female ratio is 991.
The famous things about Goa are: Goa is the richest state because it has the highest per capita income. The first English medium school was situated in this state. Dudhsagar Falls, which has a height of 310 meters, is one of the highest falls of India. Goa has more than 7,000 bars and it is well known as the Pearl of East. Let's have a look on Gujarat in map of India.
Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, where we have 33 districts whose Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani and population here is 6 crore 4 lakh and male to female ratio is 919.
And the famous things about Gujarat are: it is known as the Jewel of Western India and Manchester of East. It has highest record number of airports, that is 14 airports. Gujarat has highest sugar consumption in India. It has the longest coastline and safest state in India. The largest producer of cotton and salt is Gujarat. आइए देखते हैं हरा भरा हरियाणा भारत के नक्शे पर।
Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. It has 22 districts. Here Chief Minister is Manohar Lal Khattar, where population is 2 crore 53 lakhs and the sex ratio is 879.
The popular things about Haryana are: it is known as a battle hub. Several history battles such as Panipat and Kurukshetra of Mahabharata were fought here. It is the first state in India to have 100% rural electrification. It is known as the land of champions, as in 2010 Commonwealth 22 out of 38 gold medals came from Haryana. Haryana is also known for its dairy products. Now let's have a look on Himachal Pradesh on India's map.
Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla in summers and Dharamshala in winters, which has 12 districts, and Chief Minister is Jairam Thakur, where population is 68 lakh and sex ratio is 974.
Himachal Pradesh is known as the apple state and fruit bowl of India. Solan is the city of Himachal Pradesh, which is known as mushroom city for mushroom production. Shigri Glacier in Lahori-Spiti is the largest glacier in Asia. This state is connected by 9 national highways. It is a 100% hygienic state. तो चलिए अब एक नज़र भारत के नक्शे में झारखंड पर।
Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. It has 18 districts whose Chief Minister is Hemant Soren, where population is crore 29 lakhs and male to female ratio is 947.
The famous things about Jharkhand are: there is a first planned industrial city and that city is Jamshedpur. The largest Indian flag with the tallest flagpole is hoisted at Pahadi Mandir in Ranchi. The coal mines in Jharkhand have an underground fire which has been burning for more than a century. 40% of total mineral found in India are from Jharkhand, and Jharkhand is also famous for producing uranium. Now let's have a look on Karnataka in India's map.
Capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, where total number of districts is 30 and Chief Minister is B.S. Yedurappa, where population is 6 crore 10 lakh and male to female ratio is 968.
The famous things about Karnataka are: it is the largest exporter of coffee. It is famous for its tourist destination, that is the epitome of royalty, Mysore Palace. It is the only state with permission to make Indian flags. Karnataka has 5 rivers free flowing through a single district. The highlighted state is Kerala, as you can see in the map of India.
Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Here, total number of districts are 14, where Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan, and the population is 3 crore 34 lakhs, where the sex ratio is 1084.
Kerala. The famous things about Kerala are: Kerala is known as God's own country. It is the first state to receive rainfall in India and has the highest female to male ratio. It has highest gold consumption in the country, well known as Spice Garden of India, land of backwater, and Kathakali is the main dance of Kerala. Let's have a look on the heart of India in India's map, Madhya Pradesh.
Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, which has 52 districts, and Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, where population is 7 crore 26 lakh and the sex ratio is 930.
The famous things about Madhya Pradesh is it is known as Heart of India. One of the oldest cave collection in India is situated here. Kalidas was born here. The amazing Khajuraho temples, a mineral-rich state, is Madhya Pradesh. Coming on next state of India, Maharashtra. Let's have a look in India's map.
Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, and the second capital of Maharashtra is Nagpur, because Vidarbha people were in doubt whether development and fair treatment would be given to them. Hence, Nagpur was decided as the second capital so that during the winter season problem of Vidarbhian would be addressed. And here number of districts are 36, and the Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, where population is 11 crore 23 lakhs and the sex ratio is 929.
The famous things about Maharashtra are the Lonar Lake was formed because of the meteorite hit. The first train in Asia was started in Maharashtra between Mumbai and Thane. Maharashtra is the largest producer of sugar cane, and Mumbai local trains carry 6 million people every day. तो चलिए अब आगे देखते हैं मणिपुर को भारत के नक्शे पर।
Capital of Manipur is Imphal. Number of districts here are 16, and the Chief Minister is N. Biren Singh, where the population is 28 lakhs and the sex ratio is 985.
The famous things about Manipur are it is the birthplace of polo, the only floating national park in the whole world. The Hindi films are not released here from 2020. Foreign as well as domestic tourists need special permission to go to Manipur, and Manipur is known as the Switzerland of India. Coming to next state, Meghalaya. Let's have a look at it.
Capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Here we have 11 districts, and the Chief Minister is Konark Sangma, and the population is 29,66,000, where the sex ratio is 989.
The famous things about Meghalaya is the Malnag village. It is the cleanest village in India. Meghalaya is one of the only state in India to practice matrilineal tradition, in which man in Meghalaya moved to a women's house after marriage. Meghalaya is known as Scotland of East. और अब एक नजर मिजोरम पर भारत के नक्शे में।
Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Number of districts here are 8, where Chief Minister is Zoramthanga and population is 10,97,000 and the sex ratio is 976.
The famous things about Mizoram is the world's largest family resides in Aizawl. Fireworks and crackers are banned in Mizoram since 2000. Mizoram faces a unique problem of rats called rat floods in each 48 to 50 years. Now let's have a look on Nagaland in India's map.
Capital of Nagaland is Kohima, and here we have 12 districts where Chief Minister is Neiphiu and the population is 19,78,000 and the sex ratio is 931.
The famous things about Nagaland are: it is known as the land of world's hottest chili pepper, the land of festivals, and the only state which shown population drop between 2001 to 2011 census. और अब हम देखते हैं ओडिशा को भारत के नक्शे पर।
Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar, where we have 30 districts, and the Chief Minister here is Naveen Pathak, where the population is 4 crore 19 lakh and the sex ratio is 978.
The famous things about Odisha are the Jagannath Temple in Puri. It has the biggest kitchen in the world. Chilka Lake in Odisha is the largest saltwater lagoon in the world. The Hirakund Dam, it is the 4th largest in the world. It is a resource for ruby and platinum group metals. Now let's have a look on Punjab in India's map.
Capital of Punjab is Chandigarh, which has 22 districts where Chief Minister is Amrinder Singh and whose population is 2 crore 77 lakh and the sex ratio is 895.
The famous things about Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers. It is the center of Sikh empires. Punjab is also known as granary or breadbasket of India. It is a hub of tourists for the spiritual places like Golden Temple situated in Amritsar. आइए अब एक नज़र डालते हैं राजाओं की धरती राजस्थान पर भारत के नक्शे में।
Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, where there are 33 districts and CM over here is Ashok Gehlot, where population is 6 crore 85 lakh and the sex ratio is 926.
The famous things about Rajasthan are: it is known as the most color coordinated state. Jaipur is pink, Jodhpur is blue, Udaipur is white and Jhalawar is purple. India's only saline river, Luni, flows through the greatest desert of India, Thar Desert. The signature Palace on Wheels train operating in Rajasthan. The purple highlighted area in India's map you can see is Sikkim.
Capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, which has 4 districts and whose Chief Minister is Prem Singh Tamang, where population is 6 lakh 10,000 and the male to female ratio is 890.
The famous things about Sikkim are: Sikkim has many official languages, not 1, not 2, but 11. It is the second largest producer of cardamom, the least populated state in India. Plastic bottles are banned in Sikkim using bamboo bottles. Sikkim is known as the first organic state in India. The next state in India's map you can see is Tamil Nadu.
Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, which has 33 districts and Chief Minister here is Edapadi K. Palaniswamy, where population is 7 crore 21 lakh and the male to female ratio is 996.
The famous things about Tamil Nadu are: it is the southernmost point of mainland India. Tamil Nadu is the home of Kurinji flowers and this flower blooms after every 12 years. Tamil is the world's oldest language. Tamil Nadu peoples are the inventor of snooker. और अब हम देखते हैं तेलंगाना को भारत के नक्शे पर।
Capital of Telangana is Hyderabad, which has 31 districts, and Chief Minister over here is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Population is 3,51 lakh.
Famous things about Telangana are it has a Ganges of her own, Godavari. Godavari often cited as Ganges of South. Hussain Sagar Lake have an aerial view of Heart. Telangana is known as Land of Gems. Let's have a look on Tripura state on the map of India.
Capital of Tripura is Agartala, which has 8 districts, and Chief Minister over here is Biplab Kumar Dev, and the population is 36,73,000 and the sex ratio is 961.
And Tripura is popular for Tripura is connected to the rest of India with just one major highway, NH44. Neer Mahal is the only water palace in the northeast India. It is famous for orange gardens, pineapple gardens. In Tripura, one can experience 6 seasons of nature. Tripura is the largest IT hub of India in northeast India. Now let's have a look on the most popular state of India, Uttar Pradesh.
Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, which has 75 districts, and the Chief Minister over here is Yogi Adityanath, where population is 19 crore 98 lakhs and the sex ratio is 912.
The popular things about Uttar Pradesh are India's first CCTV city, Lucknow, is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the birth origin of maximum number of Prime Minister in India. Uttar Pradesh shares border with maximum number of states, that is 9 states. It is also known as sugarcane bowl of India. और अब नजर डालते हैं द लैंड ऑफ गॉड देवभूमि उत्तराखंड पर भारत के नक्शे में.
As Uttarakhand is all set to celebrate 2 decades of statehood, it also gave its hill people the gift of new summer capital, that is Gaisene. The state is carved out of Uttar Pradesh, will now have 2 capitals, retaining Dehradun as winter capital, and which has 13 districts, and Chief Minister over here is Trivendra Singh Rawat, and the population is 1 crore and the sex ratio is 963.
The famous things about Uttarakhand are it is the only state that has Sanskrit as its official language. It is the state of white lotus known as Brahma Kamal. The oldest national park, Jim Corbett National Park, is situated in Uttarakhand. Now let's have a look on West Bengal in the map of India.
Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata, which has 23 districts, and Chief Minister over here is Mamata Banerjee, where population is 9 crore 12 lakh and male to female ratio is 950.
The famous things about West Bengal are Eden Garden is the 3rd largest cricket stadium in the world. Calcutta has the many nicknames which includes City of Joy, City of Happiness, City of Palaces and Cultural Capital of India. West Bengal is the homeland of many literary legends like C.V. Raman, Tagore and Mother Teresa.
So friends, so far we have discussed 28 states in this video. Here we would like to give you an important update, that is Jammu and Kashmir is no longer a state.
And the update on this would be given to you in the part 2 of this video with new map of India. So to stay updated, please subscribe to channel M Sandhu and press bell icon to get the update as soon as the new part is released covering UTs of India. And if you like the content of this video, then please
like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel M Sandhu.
And thanks for watching.